Welcome to another new road update here in the Gambia. I'm in this location called Senegambia, and then I'm walking all the way towards Palmarima, and this is the current road update here. This road is called the OIC Highway. Yeah, it's called the OIC Highway. And then guys, they are also doing some road construction down there, so you guys can see. They're also doing some road construction over there. This other one is finally complete. This main OIC highway is complete. Yep, and they are also doing another road construction down there. There will be another lane over there. And then guys, there are also another new mall over there called Aziz Mall. Yeah, it's a new mall down there. And then the workers are the ones you guys are seeing with a reflector jacket. Guys, I'm walking all the way towards the Palmarima roundabout, which is where I will end this video. Guys, this is how the real life looks here in this part of Senegambia. This is the Gambia for you. Yes, people are really investing in the Gambia. Last year, most of these buildings you guys are seeing right now, they were under construction. Some of them are still under construction, but others are done. You guys can see. And then guys, I begin this video all the way from there, so you guys can see, walking towards down there, towards the Palmarima roundabout. And then if you watch the video till here, just kindly give the video a big thumbs up. Your likes really helps a lot. It helps you to push the video to a larger audience, and then don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel too. Your subscription also really helps a lot. It helps to grow the channel. Let's go. guys, I'm almost at the Palmarima roundabout. Guys, this is how it looks here, guys. Let me just walk on the. So guys, this is where they will be constructing another new road, which is here. And that's the main OIC highway. That one is finally complete, but still now road work is going on this other side. Hope you guys are enjoying what I'm getting for you here. Showing you guys how the real life looks here in this part of the Gambia. Also showing you guys road update on this part of the Gambia. Guys, let me try to get on the main highway. Finally guys, I'm at Palmarima, and that's the Palmarima roundabout over there. And then guys, this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. This is all I have for you in today's video. This is your boy Prince Seka, boy from the Gambia, West Africa. I'm out. Peace. See you on the next video. Love you. Bye.